Imagine being able to stash away more money than you ever dreamed of, even when on a modest income. Today, we delve deeper into cost-cutting strategies for a thrifty lifestyle. Rule 1, revolutionize your food shopping. Buy in bulk, use coupons, choose local over branded. Extend your savings by shopping during sales, utilizing cashback credit cards wisely, and planning meals around what's available for a bargain. Not just small tweaks, but significant savings. We'd love to know your top economizing grocery tip. Comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and remember to hit the subscribe button. 2, cut down on dining out. Home-cooked meals aren't merely healthier, but also easier on the pocket. What's your go-to dish to whip up within your kitchen? Let us know in the comments section, and don't forget to smash that like button. Have you ever attempted these budgeting tips before? If not, why not test them out and see how much you save? 3, cancel unnecessary subscriptions. Are you truly utilizing all those streaming platforms you're subscribed to? 4, utilize secondhand stores. You'll be surprised by the valuable items at slashed prices. Ever stumbled upon a fantastic deal? Recall those amazing store finds. We'd love to hear them. If this video is valuable to you, a thumbs up would be much appreciated. 5, cut down energy use. Small actions such as unplugging gadgets and switching to energy-saving light bulbs can make a big difference. 6, carpool or use public transport. It's not only eco-friendly but also budget-friendly. This option helps reduce carbon footprints and you get to save on fuel costs. Additionally, you might get to meet new people, fostering a sense of community. 7, do DIY projects. From home repairs to unique gifts, the beauty of DIY lies in the personal touch and the satisfaction derived from it, not to mention the cost savings. Do you have a favorite DIY project? We'd love to hear it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. 8, negotiate your bills. Have you ever flexed your negotiation skills on your bills? Sharing your experience in the comments may inspire others to do the same. Don't forget to smash that like button. Many service providers are open to negotiation. All you need to do is ask. On another note, 9, consider buying generic prescriptions. They offer the same benefits as their branded counterparts at a fraction of the cost. Have you ever pondered the potential savings on prescriptions? 10, plan your meals. Indeed, this is a powerful method to minimize waste and ensure you only purchase what's essential for your diet. We're curious, what's a meal you enjoy planning the most? Do you have a favorite recipe or cuisine that helps you stay on track? We invite you to share it with us. Comment below. Moving on to our next tip. 11, take up gardening. Even cultivating a modest herb garden can significantly trim down your grocery bill. Have these strategies been beneficial to you? If you're finding these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a like. 12, cease costly customs. Smoking, daily coffee trips, and similar habits can deplete your resources. Consider what extravagant practices have already been eradicated from your routine. Enlighten us in the comments section. Expanding the conversation to the 13th point, capitalize on complementary amusement. An abundance of cost-free resources are available online and within your local neighborhood. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for an abundance of strategies to conserve your finances. 14, save on water. Shorter showers, full loads of laundry can make substantial differences towards preserving our precious water resources. Do you have any unique, effective water-saving strategies? We'd love to hear from you. Share your tips with us in the comments section below. And remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. 15, use a prepaid cell phone. It's a much more economical method, and you pay exclusively for what you use, making it an excellent way to manage your budget. 16, make your own cleaning supplies. It's not just cost-effective, it's also generally safer for you and the environment. Do you have a homemade cleaning solution you swear by? We'd love to hear about it. Share with us in the comments. 17, consider buying items off-season. Whether it's clothing, holiday decorations, or other items, you can often find great deals. Remember, timing is key. And hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up with our tips and tricks. 18, use cashback apps. These apps are a godsend for savvy shoppers, rewarding every penny spent with a certain percentage back. Think of it as a rebate on your everyday expenses, ensuring you get a fraction of your money returned on purchases you'd already planned. Curious to know, are you utilizing any of these cashback apps? We'd love to hear from you, so share your experience in the comments section. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're finding our content enjoyable and informative. 19, insulate your home. It's a cost-effective way to significantly reduce heating and cooling expenses. 20. Use a programmable thermostat. It's a tool for maintaining your home's comfort while also contributing to energy conservation. It assists in adapting temperature according to your preferences, thus promoting an energy-efficient lifestyle. 21. Create your snacks. It's not only a cost-effective alternative, but it also gives you control over what you consume, enhancing your health. Curious to hear about your preferred homemade snack? Share in the comments. Always remember to click on the subscribe button. 22. Use a clothesline. It's a green alternative that not only cuts back on your energy bills, but also extends the lifespan of your clothing. 23. Don't underestimate the power of bartering or trading services. A time-honored practice, it can be a great way to exchange skills and get what you need. Ever used bartering as a method of exchange? We invite you to share your experiences in the comments section. Don't forget to appreciate our effort by liking this video. 24. Use a library. It's an accessible hub for literature, films, and even educational courses. It's a treasure trove of knowledge where you can find resources beyond your imagination. Ever found something extraordinary in the library? The library is more than just a building. It's a community of learners and explorers. What's your favorite library resource? We'd love to hear your stories. Share in the comments below. 25. Invest in quality. It's not just about buying, it's about making smart choices. A superior product might cost more initially, but it often outlasts cheaper alternatives, saving you money and time. It's about long-term value, not immediate savings. Remember, quality is an investment in your future. Don't forget to subscribe. 26. Sell excess belongings. A perfect way to simplify and earn extra bucks. What's the most profitable sale you've made? Share in the comments. Lastly, 27. Make saving fun. Aim to incrementally your savings each month. There you have it, 27 frugal living hacks for quality life on a tight budget. Remember, tiny shifts lead to substantial results. Every penny saved accumulates. So, why not start using these hacks today? If this video was helpful, like and subscribe for more.